Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Mazda BT50, stock number 6722. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory Alpine touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.